Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update messages on Instagram. So you can check your Instagram if it is updated onto your Play Store or any app store that you have. Just type in Instagram and then you will see here the update button. Just go ahead and click that one and wait for it to update the app. So once you're done, just click the open button and then your Instagram is now updated to the latest version. Okay, so the next thing you can try is go to your Instagram app and then in here you can find the update button. If your Instagram is not yet updated, just go to your profile and then go to settings and privacy. And then when you scroll it down, you will see here the update button. So since we have already updated our Instagram in our Play Store, so let's move on to the second method. In case you updated your Instagram and you don't have the new messaging feature on the Instagram, here is what you need to do. Just go to report a problem and then just type in I updated my Instagram, but still I can't see the new messenger feature of Instagram. And then you can also upload the screenshot that you don't have that feature. And then once you're done, just go ahead and send the message and wait for 1 to 2 days for TikTok to respond to you. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.